Section 3.3, Example 3. A 4-digit number is generated at random from the digits 2, 3, 5, and 7 without repetition of the digits. What is the probability that it will be even? So our total outcomes, we have 1, 2, 3. There are 4 digits to choose from to place in this 4-digit pin. In a 4-digit pin, order does matter. So this is a permutation question. So our total number of outcomes, there are 4 numbers to choose from, and we need to choose all 4. We are arranging all 4 digits. Another way to write that is 4 factorial, and that gives us 24 ways. Now looking at our favorable outcomes, we are looking for this 4-digit pin to be an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to represent the 4 digits. In order to be an even number, the last digit has to be an even number. Of our 4 possible digits, there is only one of those numbers that is even. 2 is an even number. Okay, so the number 2 has to go in the last position. There is only one way to choose a number for that last position. Once that number is placed, that means there are now 3 digits available that we can choose from to place in the first position. And similarly, there are 2 digits for the second, and there's one final choice for that third position. There are 6 ways for the favorable outcomes. Looking at probability, again, probability is our favorable outcomes over our total. Our favorable outcomes are 6. Our total outcomes is 24. We can reduce that fraction to lowest terms, or we can write it as a decimal, or we can write it as a percent, 25%.